Give me more dark brown, less dark brown.
Process C, my stigmata eyes.
This part there's been worked on and just now your circle is done.
A video today. Here a helicopter. 911 Flight 93, checking posted pipe, trying to call me. And some ball gas, son of a carpenter Mary. You want to know when else your phone won't be allowed to work? I can't see the screen. But yeah, smaller outer brown circle is gone. Inner bigger blue eyes growing in, through, and around, and now just around. And just let me bring up Will Annapolis Dropout Moran, who I saw on Northeast Louisiana, now ULM University. And yeah, he didn't make it at Annapolis. Who knows what the hell he was doing at ULM? I'm still not sure. And yes, James Moran is with Housing Works here at Dig Terrace.